Sound designers searching for the right sound for beer. First, they compare a dozen brands. The sound of the cap opening is important.
Basically, the sound needs to signal that the cap made a secure seal and that the beverage is fresh. When you open it, you want to be confident you've got a good, fresh beverage. Some sounds convey that better than others.
Synotec develops sounds for industrial purposes, everything from cookies to kitchen appliances and beer. With every new product, the firm asks test subjects to evaluate various sounds. They want to discover exactly which sounds trigger which associations. The sound designers even find inspiration right outside their offices in the Erzgebirge region of Saxony. Here, one employee is recording a mountain stream. The sound of rushing water triggers the same expectations in people all over the world.
The stream conveys freshness. We compare it with the beer sounds and try to use the stream's freshness to create a pleasant sound for the beer.
Physical design also plays a part. For instance, a shape of the lip at the end of the bottleneck can result in a more satisfying glug when pouring the beer. But because of potential costs, even tiny changes to a product can be crucial.
The discussions usually result in the development needing to be so neat that it incurs no additional costs. So you may notice certain deficiencies that are present and try to see whether they can be eliminated. The real goal is communicating quality through sound without too much additional cost.
This is one of the most problematic items at Synotec. The sound design industry has been wrestling with this for decades, but has yet to find a solution. Manufacturers of vacuum cleaners refuse to try new sounds because there's no vacuuming sound that's universally accepted as pleasant.
In Europe, people prefer deeper, more sonorous, resonant components. But these may trigger negative associations in other parts of the world. An impending earthquake, perhaps. In Asia, for example, people prefer higher, lighter sounds.
Back to the beer. This oversized bottle sounds almost ideal. A big plop and a satisfying burble that sounds like a mountain stream. Some companies spend millions on developing the right sound design for their products.
Companies want to set themselves apart from competitors. The emotional dimension is becoming more important. If you're watching a thriller, for instance, and turn the sound off, then all the emotion disappears. Companies have understood that product sounds can be used to communicate emotions.
And finding the right sound can take time, because even the smallest detail can make a big difference.